Welcome back. We've got Kelsey Keeney joining us from the SEK Humane Society today, and she has brought with us the cutest little puppy named Cookie Dough.
Yeah, so this is Cookie Dough. She is a 3-month-old terrier mix. She's not quite available for adoption yet. She just needs to be a little bit bigger to get spayed in her rabies vaccine, though.
And that's one thing that all the dogs that you would adopt from the Humane Society, they've all been spayed or neutered.
Yeah, they've all been spayed or neutered. They've been up to date on rabies for dogs, and then fully vaccinated, and then as well as microchipped.
Mm-hmm. And you guys are actually holding a fundraiser this weekend to help pay for that spaying and neutering aspect of it.
Yeah, so this weekend, the 4th and the 5th, we're going to have an event called Will You Be My Date? And it's just where someone comes in and checks out a dog for the day, take him out on the town, get a pup cup, and go on the nature trail if the weather's fine. And then the $10 donation is going to help for future rabies vaccines.
Okay. Yeah. Well, and what a cute idea for a date, adopting or taking out a dog. Yeah. Is it just for dogs, or can you do that for cats too if you wanted to? Or
it's just for dogs.
Okay. And you guys have another kind of event going on, a promotional deal, I guess, this month.
Yeah. So in honor of Valentine's Day, the 1st through the 14th, we are having $14 dog adoptions. So if you fall in love with the dog that you check out that day and would like to add them into your family, then the adoption fee is only going to be $14.
That's awesome. That's awesome. How many dogs do you guys have right now?
Right now, I think we have about 50.
That's a lot of dogs.
It is a lot of dogs.
A lot of dogs that need a home. Yes. For sure. Any specific breeds that you have more of, or just unique ones?
Typically pitties are like the most breed that we have, just because it's hard to find towns that don't have like a pitty breed that discriminates against them, unfortunately. And then along with pitties, I would probably say lab mixes.
Mm-hmm. Still have a lot of the black dogs? Because I know you guys run that, like in August you ran the black dog special and stuff. And all right. Well, this one is just full of energy. And I tell you what, before the cameras were on, Cookie Dough just sat there calmly. And then I came over and she got so excited and won't sit still now, but it must just be me. But she was just sitting there just behaving really, really, really well. So she is 3 months old.
Oh, yeah.
Does she have a story about how you guys came about getting her?
She was just brought in as a stray one day.
Oh, stray little puppy. Oh. So how long have you had her?
We've had her for almost a month, not quite.
So she just needs to be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, we've all fallen in love with her. She's definitely a sweetheart. Definitely a puppy, all that energy and the chewing. All
right. Well, if you would like to take advantage of the Be My Date or adopting a dog during that 14-day period for $14, how do they get a hold of you?
Yeah, so you can always call the shelter, you can message us on Facebook, and then you could also email us at sekhumanesociety@gmail.com.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
We'll be right back.